Despite the rain, Friuli Venezia Giulia dwellers found exciting activities to do over the weekend. In Trieste.
Beach, yes.
Tonight, definitely go get some beers, but I think tomorrow we're leaving to Bratislava.
And we go to visit the sea and then we're back to Slovenia. So.
I'm only here for today. Okay. I've never been to Trieste before, but I've been longing to go for a very long time. And I actually live in Singapore now, so this is my European holidays, and I'm planning to explore Trieste for today.
Well, we're here just for one day. She's from Denmark, so she came to visit. I'm from Slovenia, so we came to visit Trieste because Koper is really close, and I know some really good restaurants here and places for ice cream. So probably visit the center of the city and then go to Miramare. And if you have any recommendations.
It's really a really beautiful city, I think. I have never been in Italy, so I like it.
There are so many things to do. There are many concerts about jazz music or also contemporary music in Sartorio Museum, and there are many other spectacles. So I think it will be a very interesting weekend.
From Belgrade.
Why did
Serbia.
Serbia and Belgrade. Why did you get married here?
Because we like Trieste.
And we like our church here.
Yes.
The Serbian community had a great impact on this city, and we come here every year, and it was very nice for us to have a wedding here.